Hey guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Dome Glass AR screen protector for the iPhone 16 Pro. So here is the box. It's quite thin, so I'm going to break it open. Alright, so let's see what's inside. There's only one pack of screen protector with this package. So here I will open up the package. My phone don't have any screen protector at the moment, so if I put it in my pocket, the screen can easily get scratches if it rubs against my key or other sharp object. So it's a good idea to have your iPhone 16 protected with a screen protector. So in here we got a wipe pack. So there is an alcohol wipe, and we have some wiping cloth, and a dust sticker. Okay, so here is an installation tray. So it is a plastic installation tray, and then we have the screen protector. Oh my, this screen protector is dark, so because it has an anti-reflector, so it's quite dark. Now let's see some of the features from the box here. It's a easy and bubble-free application, crystal clear, clarity, fingerprint resistant, scratch resistant, and high touch sensitivity and shutter protection. So the Dome Glass AR anti-reflection screen protectors are designed to improve or to provide optimal screen protection for your iPhone 16 or the 16 Pro while enhancing the viewing experience. Some key features with this screen protector, the anti-reflection coating. This reduces glare and reflections, improving screen visibility, especially in bright light conditions. It has also had high definition clarities, enhanced touch sensitivity, durable timber glass. It is easy to install, so it does not have any liquid to pour onto your screen. All you have to do is using this installation tray, and you just need to peel out the back here, and you'll be able to stick it on to your iPhone. So if you look this way, you will not be able to see your phone screen because it has a privacy protection as well. So you can only look directly at the phone, but not while you are at an angle. Now it also have that oleophobic coating, which resists fingerprints and smudges, keeping your phone nice and clean. So here, if I try to touch on it, you can see it does not have a lot of fingerprint showing. If I touch on my iPhone screen, it will easily show the fingerprint. And that's it. So that is everything inside the box. Now actually there is one more thing, is the installation guide. So here it shows you how to install. So we've got step 1, step 2, we place the top frame onto the phone like so. So we place it onto the frame onto the phone, and then we need to peel out the back cover and place the glass onto this tray right here. So it is nice and straightforward to install on this device with this installation tray right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.